Hey, welcome to Hammer Wrench Renovations. So I'm doing my intro after my outro because I didn't do one in the beginning because I didn't plan to do anything. I just took some pictures and then maybe make a short. But the project snowballed into something huge. So some are pictures, some are in portrait, some are in landscape. So sorry, they're all combined together. I just wanted to show you the transformation of this house to go from, there was a small little 8 by 12 porch on there that was pretty old, and we turned it into a covered 12 by 16 with an additional 8 by 12 deck, and it's all screened in. It's a great place to sit and not get eaten up by bugs. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'm going to put a new roof over this house, and we've put on a covered porch and a deck. Block in 6x6 post, some of this wire in there. This porch here is 12 by 16, and it's going to hip into the roof that's going to be on the house, and then we're going to enclose it in a screen. Got these 2x6s put up and notched in, so we'll have something to attach screen to. It also has a pretty big shelf going all the way around for whatever the owner might want to put. Porch is covered. The alley's in. We'll skin the rest of this tomorrow.
Don't be mean.
Putting up the screen, getting the tracks down. These are a great thing if you're going to do screen. Got these from Lowe's. They're 1.5 inches wide. And you just put the screen up, and then you put the spline in the tracks. First screen panel going up. It is not hard to do, but difficult at the same time. If that makes any sense. Caps are on the screens now. Now we gotta hang gutter. We're gonna run the gutter here and there, keep it from splashing on the deck. But the screen is done. All right, got the gutter on. Not doing any downspout right now. May add that later. So this wraps up the pool project. This here's the 8x12 deck. We can put block down for that. Got this wire in here. It's notched in so it won't fall out. Got this metal door with screen built in so they can keep the bugs out of there. And they got a Great Dane, so he put this wire in here to keep her from bumping into the screen and knocking it out. And he painted the floor today. Added a roof to the whole thing. Now we finished skinning this roof the day, I guess the hurricane was going to be here Thursday night. So we had to get here and get all the guys up there and skin the top of this roof. And got it done just as the rain started. There's the back side. This here was an aviary for turkeys and chickens. You can see a couple of turkeys right there. There were probably 75 turkeys in it when this tree fell and killed probably 2/3 of them because it fell right where they were roosting in the center there. Unfortunately, doesn't have as many turkeys as he did. Got some peacocks. Oh, don't fly, you'll hurt yourself. These are the blue ticks, they all escaped. All these trees fell in their pen. Oh, that's right. What do you eat cereal in? A bowl? What's your food get put in? A bowl? A bowl. That little one's name is Brutus. He was born about when our puppies were born, and he is the last one, Lonesome Brutus. He's going to be a coon dog as well. These chickens over here, the black ones, feathers are black, their skin is black, and he said when they're dressed out, their meat is also black. Never seen that till now. So this is what Hammer Wrench has been up to. We've been working on this project since beginning of August. So got it done. It's gonna be kind of odd not coming out and seeing things go together.